Yo, what's up everybody? It's Stope1 and welcome back to the channel. Listen, I get it, the crypto space is blowing up right now and everyone and their grandma wants in. But with more exchanges popping up than Starbucks in Seattle, picking the right one can feel like finding a needle in a haystack. That's why today we're breaking down the top dogs of 2025, Coinbase, Gemini and Kraken. We're talking features, fees, security, the whole 9 yards. So you can decide which platform aligns with your investing goals. Let's dive in. Welcome to the wild world of crypto trading in 2025. With hundreds of exchanges out there, how do you pick the right one? Today, we're diving into the top crypto exchanges dominating the scene: Coinbase, Gemini, and Kraken. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, we'll break down their features, fees, and what makes them stand out. Stick around to find the perfect platform for you. First up, let's talk about Coinbase. This is the OG exchange that basically brought crypto to the masses. And let me tell you, they didn't get to be a multi-billion-dollar company by accident. Coinbase is like the Apple of crypto exchanges. Super user-friendly, intuitive design, and it just works. Especially if you're brand new to the game. I mean, they have a mobile app that literally makes buying Bitcoin feel like ordering a pizza. Now in 2025, Coinbase supports over 240 different cryptocurrencies. That's right, 240. From the big boys like Bitcoin and Ethereum to all those weird altcoins you've probably never even heard of. And the best part? You don't need to be a millionaire to get started. Coinbase has no minimum deposit, so you can start small and ease your way into the market. Of course, no exchange is perfect, and Coinbase does have its drawbacks. Their fees are a bit on the higher end, especially compared to some of the other players out there. We're talking maker fees ranging from 0% to 0.4% and taker fees from 0.05% to 0.6%. But hey, you're getting what you pay for, right? Coinbase's platform is incredibly robust, with advanced charting tools, educational resources, and even a crypto rewards program where you can earn interest on your holdings. Plus, Coinbase is available in over 172 countries worldwide. So whether you're chilling in California or sipping cappuccinos in Italy, you can access your Coinbase account and trade crypto without any hassle. Overall, if you're just dipping your toes into the crypto waters and want a platform that's easy to use, secure, and offers a ton of educational resources, Coinbase is definitely worth checking out. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Do your own research, compare different exchanges, and see what works best for you. There are tons of options out there, but Coinbase is a solid choice for beginners and experienced traders alike. Alright, moving on to our next contender, we've got Gemini, founded by the Winklevoss twins, those guys who sued Mark Zuckerberg over Facebook. Now, if there's one thing these guys are known for, it's their obsession with security. And that's exactly what they've built with Gemini, an exchange that's like the Fort Knox of crypto. Seriously, Gemini takes security to a whole new level. They're one of the few exchanges out there that offers FDIC insurance for USD deposits. That means if anything happens to Gemini, like they get hacked or go bankrupt, your US dollar deposits are protected up to $250,000. And on top of that, they also have crypto insurance in case of any security breaches. Talk about peace of mind, right? Now, in terms of features, Gemini might not have as many bells and whistles as Coinbase. They support around 70 cryptocurrencies, which is still a decent selection, and they also have no minimum deposit requirement. But where Gemini really shines is in its commitment to compliance and regulation. They're a fully regulated New York trust company, which means they have to adhere to strict financial regulations. And for you serious traders out there, Gemini has a platform called Active Trader, which offers advanced charting tools, futures trading, and even perpetual contracts. It's basically like having a mini Wall Street right at your fingertips. But let's talk about fees. Gemini's fees are actually pretty competitive, with maker fees ranging from 0% to 0.2% and taker fees from 0.03% to 0.4%. That's slightly lower than Coinbase, which is always a plus overall. If security is your number one priority and you're looking for an exchange that's built like a tank, Gemini is the way to go. They might not have the widest selection of cryptocurrencies or the flashiest platform, but when it comes to keeping your funds safe and sound, they're in a league of their own. Last but not least, let's talk about Kraken, the OG crypto exchange that's been around since 2011. These guys have weathered all the storms in the crypto market, from Bitcoin's meteoric rise to the infamous Mt. Gox hack. And through it all, they've built a reputation for being a reliable and trustworthy exchange. Now, Kraken might not have the name recognition of Coinbase or the security focus of Gemini, but they're no slouch when it comes to features and affordability. In fact, Kraken is known for having some of the lowest trading fees in the industry. We're talking maker fees starting at 0% and going up to 0.25%, and taker fees from 0.1% to 0.4%. That's significantly lower than both Coinbase and Gemini, which means more money in your pocket. And don't let those low fees fool you. Kraken is no bare bones exchange. They offer a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, over 300 to be exact, and they have a $10 minimum deposit, which is very reasonable. Plus they have a platform called Kraken Pro, which is designed for experienced traders and offers advanced features like margin trading, futures contracts, and even over-the-counter trading for high-volume orders. But it's not just for the pros. Kraken also has a ton of educational resources for beginners, including guides, tutorials, and even a dedicated support team that's available 24/7 to answer any questions you might have. And here's the cherry on top. Kraken is available on web, desktop, and mobile, so you can trade crypto from anywhere in the world, anytime you want. Overall, if you're looking for an exchange that offers a great balance of features, affordability, and security, Kraken is definitely worth considering. They might not be the flashiest or the most well-known, but they're a solid choice for both beginners and experienced traders alike. So there you have it, folks. The top 3 crypto exchanges of 2025: Coinbase, Gemini, and Kraken. Each one brings something unique to the table, whether it's ease of use, top-notch security, or rock-bottom fees. The best exchange for you really depends on your individual needs and trading style. Are you just starting out and want a user-friendly platform with lots of educational resources? Coinbase is your best bet. Do you prioritize security above all else and don't mind paying a little extra for peace of mind? Gemini is the way to go. Or are you a seasoned trader looking for the lowest fees and most advanced trading features? Kraken has got you covered. No matter which exchange you choose, just remember to do your research, invest responsibly, and never put in more money than you can afford to lose. The crypto market is still incredibly volatile, but with the right knowledge and the right platform, you can navigate the ups and downs and potentially come out ahead. That's the rundown on 2025's top crypto exchanges. Coinbase, Gemini, and Kraken each bring something unique to the table. Which one are you leaning toward? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more crypto insights. Stay tuned for our next video on Bitcoin's big moves in 2025.